Hello everyone, this video is about creating pages with the theme page builder, and the page that we are going to try and create something similar is this one that you can see on the theme preview. So let's get started. So let's add a new page builder. Let's call it also about us because the title will be visible, and the template is the theme page. And let's assign right away our header text and paste, and let's publish our page and let's see how it looks at this moment. Okay, we have our title and our subtitle. So now here we have a slider, and also on the right side we have this text. So let's use the backend editor, add a row. Let's divide this row into two columns. Let's start here on the right side. So we have a style title, okay, the size it's medium, and no special options. In here, text block, paste, save, and update once again. Let's see if our page is gaining the shape that we want. Yes, it is. So here let's add our slider. There are various or multiple ways to add sliders. Let's use this one, this element. It's called quick slider, and like the name just says, it's the easiest way to add a slider. So I'm going to use these two images, and the image size, I'm going to say that it's full. The theme will take care of it, of what to do, and no light box, update. Okay, so here's our content, our first row. So what do we have here? We have some services now, and I'm going to take right away the text and add a new row. In this case we have 3 columns, and let's add our service. Here it is, title, text, and text, and I'm going to use an image instead of an icon. If you want an icon, you can put icon class there. So I'm going to use this one, save, and to make things faster, I'm not going to change the titles and the images, so I just duplicated it, and now I'm going to duplicate this row and update, and let's see how things are looking here. Okay, here are our services. As you can see here, we have a different background for this services part. So in this case we have to edit the row properties, which is with this button, not here, but here, the row. And let's give extra padding for our row. And in terms of background, we want a solid color, and let's set it to white, and save and update. Let's just check if it's already with a white background. Okay, I only applied it to the first row of services, so let's apply it to the other. And I noticed it that the services that I added, they are aligned to the left. So I'm going to fix this right away. Center it. I should have done this with the first service. Now I have to apply it to, well, I'm going to apply it only for these 3 under, and let's refresh. Okay, so now 2 white rows in the services. Sorry. Now we have a widget called with our latest work. So another row and a title, our latest work, alignment center, size medium again, save, and then we have a small text block that I already have here, and once again align to the center, save, and we have our portfolio, latest portfolio. You can filter here if you have multiple work and you only want to show a certain type of work here. In this case, yeah, I don't have any filter here, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And you can show our filter above the thumbnails. I don't have it on the preview, so I'm going to keep it. Thumbnails margin, it's 0. So let's see how this looks. I think it should look similar to the preview. Yeah, here it is. So this is looking kind of weird because I'm working on the preview, on the one-click install, and that's why the works seem to be repeating. But if you see, this one is the full screen with image, and this one is the classic post with image. So here on top we have the 3 full screen posts, and here we have the 3 classics. So there's nothing is being repeated here. So we have finally the team members. So let's add another row, and this row, let's give it an extra padding because I think it's white again. Yes, it's a white background again, so I'm going to give it some padding. Color white, sorry, and title medium, center, save. Once again, a little text block under. Okay, and now our team members. So we have here this element, team members. It also has some options here. You can filter it if you have multiple teams. In this case, I only have 3 members, so it's okay like this. And let's update. So here they are, our team members. And finally, we only have this call to action button that I'm going to set up here. So add another row. Okay, call to action button. This is the text that I already have, and the title. Okay, background color, I think we have a gray there, but I think it's the gray of the theme background, so let's keep it like this. The button, the text is aligned to the left. The button says buy this theme. I hope you do buy it. And the link, I don't need any link, let's just use this to show the button. Some options for the button here. I think everything is okay. The button is positioned on the right and it's centered on the right row. And let's save and update. Okay, let's see how it looks. Here's our button. Okay, so just one final note. As you can see here, the button is animated on the theme preview. So if you want to achieve this here with most of the elements, this option is available. Here under everything, you should always find this option, CSS animation. In that case, it's appearing from center. So let's save and update. And finally, I'm going to refresh this page. And hopefully we have that effect on the call to action button. Let's see. And here it is. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it.